Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream with custard powder. This easy guide will help you create a delicious frozen treat right in your own kitchen. We'll start by gathering a few simple ingredients, including about 2 cups of milk, half a cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of custard powder. You'll also need 1 cup of heavy cream for that perfect creamy texture. Let's get started. Next, let's prepare our custard base. In a small bowl, whisk 2 tablespoons of custard powder with about 1/4 cup of milk until it forms a smooth, lump-free paste. In a separate saucepan, heat the remaining 1 3/4 cups of milk and half a cup of sugar over medium heat until it just begins to simmer. Slowly pour the custard paste into the hot milk, stirring continuously for about 2 to 3 minutes until the mixture thickens nicely. Now for the chilling and churning phase. First, allow your cooked custard to cool completely to room temperature. This is a crucial step for the best texture. Once cooled, gently stir in 1 cup of heavy cream until it is fully incorporated. Then, cover the mixture and refrigerate it for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. Finally, pour the well-chilled mixture into your ice cream maker and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions, usually for 20 to 30 minutes. You're almost ready to enjoy your homemade treat. Once churned, transfer the soft ice cream into an airtight container. Place it in the freezer for at least 2 to 4 hours to allow it to firm up to a scoopable consistency. For the absolute best texture, let it sit at room temperature for about 5 to 10 minutes before serving. Then, scoop and savor your wonderfully creamy, homemade custard powder ice cream. It's truly delightful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.